Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this smooth video transition on CapCut PC. So go to your video and add a keyframe at the beginning and at the end. Oh, actually you want to add the keyframe on the opacity here, and then at the end you're going to put it at 50%. So it looks like that. Make sure you add in some slow-mo first though. I just have mine at 0.5 x speed, sorry. And then again, I'm going to do it for all of them, opacity from 100 to 50%. Okay, great. Once you're done with that, you are then going to go to the library button here, library section, and you're going to add in an overlay. Go to blend mode and select the overlay one, and go to animation and select fade out and have the duration set for the whole duration of your clip. You're just going to copy and paste that to all of your videos like so. Once you're done, you're going to go to effects and you're going to search for the halo blur. It's taking me a long time to load resources. I think it's under opening and closing, and you're just going to add that on top of your clip, and you're going to make it really short. Okay, sorry about the delay, but I'm having a really long time downloading effects right now, but I promise it won't happen to you. I just don't have a lot of space left on my PC. Maybe that's why it's lagging, but you're just going to basically make the effect short. Okay, maybe I should just, okay, I was gonna pause it, but you're going to then make it short. I'm going to have the strength to 100. Make it as short as you want, like that maybe. I'm just going to adjust it like that, and I'm going to copy and paste it to all the clips, and there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!